kod oimore. Pod okwan mabor kod weche machal kamago wadonje weche mag skul kama tend riwruoge mag jopuonj Kuppet kod Nat bade mabomet oseyo jatend migawo mar somo Ezekiel Machogu kuom golo modeko milome mar choro nyime yepo mag skunde ne tam mar 2. Gikoni deko golo lendo mar choro nyime yepo mag skunde omiyo jonyuol lal kaluwore ni moko kuom jonyuol ne oseng'ado nyamburko mane nyithindgi dok kode skul ka koro gidwani piny owacho duok ne jonyuol omenda mane gisetiyo godo e keto kenge mag nyithindgi ochopo e skunde.
It is not good at all because so far some students even started going to their schools as far as yesterday. They planned even as far as yesterday. Some of them were just traveling. We have students traveling from all corners of the Republic of Kenya. Some are coming from Kisumu, all the way from Kisumu to go to Mombasa, and you are just coming very early in the morning to say you have really postponed the opening of schools. That is very wrong. I want to appeal to the Minister for Education to be always alert and to know when to give praise and to know when to give a statement touching on something like this. If it is possible, the government of Kenya could even reimburse those students who have already traveled on the way their money. Yes. Thank you.